In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix if Android phone says no command. It's the best method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when you see this command, it usually means the phone has entered recovery mode but hasn't received a specific instruction. So this often happens after a failed update or an accidental button press during high volume like work or anything like that. So to reveal the hidden recovery menu from the no command screen, press and hold your power button. While holding power, tap the volume up button once, then release both buttons immediately. As a result, a blue or yellow text menu should now appear on your screen. Once the menu is visible, use the hardware buttons to navigate, so volume keys to scroll and power key to select, then highlight Reboot System Now, then press the power button to select it, and as a result, your phone will attempt a standard restart, which resolves the issue in all cases. And if your phone returns to no command, again, use the menu to select Wipe Cache Partition, so this will clear temporary system glitches without deleting any of your data. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials on the channel as well.